Hi foodies, in this video we're making rum glazed plantains, so let's get into it. Start with ripe plantains. The riper they are, the sweeter they will be. Peel them and slice them into pieces, either diagonal or straight, whatever you prefer. Heat butter or oil in a pan and fry until golden brown on both sides. You want the edges to caramelize and the middle nice and soft. Once they're ready, take them out and set them aside on paper towel. Now for the glaze. In a pan, add butter and let it melt down, then add brown sugar. Let it melt for a few minutes, then stir until thick. I did this so many times just to get it right. Then add cinnamon and vanilla and stir it together. Then the rum. Let everything bubble together until it turns glossy and syrupy. Turn off the stove and add the fried plantains back into the pan and toss them gently until every piece is coated in that glaze and sticks to them. And there you have it, rum glazed plantain. These are so good. They're caramelized with a hint of rum, and the best part, you can eat it on its own or even serve with ice cream. Well, thank you guys for watching. Big up on yourself and make sure to subscribe.